Are you ready to elevate your summer gatherings with a cocktail that's not just refreshing, but also perfectly themed for the US Open? The Honey Deuce cocktail is making waves this season, and it's the drink you'll want to have in hand as you cheer on your favorite players. But here's where it gets interesting. This delightful beverage is not just for tennis enthusiasts. Its vibrant flavors and simple preparation make it a hit for anyone looking to enjoy a delicious drink on a warm day. Cocktails often come and go in popularity, reminiscent of trends like the Cosmopolitan or Blood and Sand. Currently, the spotlight is on the Honey Deuce, a drink inspired by the sport of tennis, coinciding perfectly with the excitement of the US Open. What makes this cocktail so appealing? It's a straightforward, 3-ingredient mix, similar to classics like the Negroni or Old Fashioned, proving that you don't need a long list of ingredients to create something truly delicious. However, the key to a great Honey Deuce lies in using the right components and mastering the technique. As summer winds down and the tennis matches heat up, consider crafting a Honey Deuce for yourself or impressing your guests at your next viewing party. Even if tennis isn't your thing, don't worry. This cocktail has a universal charm that can be enjoyed by everyone. Let's dive into the full recipe for the Honey Deuce so you can get started. Honey Deuce, game, set, sip. As the saying goes, this delightful recipe hails from the Manor, a chic boutique hotel located in the heart of Soho, New York City. We absolutely adore it as a refreshing summer cocktail. Remember, using freshly squeezed citrus is essential for the best flavor, and feel free to get creative with your garnishes to enhance the tennis theme. Ingredients: 1 1/4 ounces of Grey Goose vodka, 3/4 ounce of raspberry liqueur, Chambord is the go-to choice, 2 ounces of fresh lemon juice. Method: 1. Begin by filling a chilled highball glass with fresh cubed ice. 2. Pour in the vodka, raspberry liqueur, and fresh lemon juice, then stir gently to combine the ingredients. 3. For the finishing touch, garnish your drink with 3 skewered honeydew melon balls, adding a playful and thematic element to your cocktail. Now that you have the recipe, it's time to roll up your sleeves and start mixing. The iconic US Open kicks off on August 18th. So get ready to enjoy those thrilling rallies with a refreshing Honey Deuce in hand. Mark Stock, a writer based in Portland, Oregon, discovered his passion for wine during the recession and has been captivated by it ever since. What do you think? Are you excited to try the Honey Deuce, or do you have your own favorite summer cocktail? Share your thoughts in the comments below.